Binance Chain Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our review of the Binance Chain Wallet. All relevant links to the products we discuss are provided in the description below. Binance Chain Wallet is the official cryptocurrency wallet for accessing Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and Ethereum networks. Designed for users who are active within the Binance ecosystem or looking to explore the BSC space, this wallet provides a secure, straightforward way to manage your crypto assets. It supports a range of tokens, including BEP2, BEP20, and ERC20, making it a versatile tool for trading, staking, and interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. The Binance Chain Wallet is available as a browser extension, offering a simple and intuitive interface that integrates seamlessly with your daily browsing activities. The setup process is quick and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. With the wallet, you can easily transfer assets between Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum with the built-in cross-chain functionality, providing flexibility for users who operate across multiple networks. One of the key features of this wallet is its direct integration with Binance's ecosystem, which allows for easy access to services like Binance DEX and various DeFi platforms on BSC. This makes it ideal for users who are already entrenched in Binance's ecosystem or those looking to leverage the low fees and high transaction speeds on the Binance Smart Chain. Security is paramount with the Binance Chain Wallet. As a non-custodial wallet, it gives you full control over your private keys, ensuring that your funds are solely under your management. It also supports standard security measures, such as the creation of a 12 or 24-word seed phrase for account recovery. However, as with any non-custodial wallet, losing your seed phrase means losing access to your funds. So it's crucial to store it securely. One notable drawback is that the wallet is limited to a browser extension, meaning it lacks a mobile app, which could be inconvenient for users who prefer managing their assets on the go. Additionally, while the wallet is highly secure, it is essential to be cautious of phishing attacks, especially when interacting with dApps or websites that might mimic legitimate platforms. In conclusion, the Binance Chain Wallet is a robust and reliable choice for those engaged in the Binance ecosystem or interested in exploring the Binance Smart Chain's fast-growing DeFi and dApp space. It offers solid security, ease of use, and seamless integration with Binance's services, making it particularly well-suited for those who value convenience and efficiency in their crypto transactions. However, the lack of a mobile app and the responsibility of securing your private keys are factors to consider. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and subscribe for more in-depth crypto reviews.